What's up, everybody? Today we're back on Pete's Auto Experience and we're going to be talking about Career Connections Day. So basically, Career Connections Day, we had a bunch of people, future employers, come down in the shop, interview a few kids, talk about our futures. You know, basically so everyone could get a feel of what's going on.
Was an amazing event that we had at our school, and it showed me how many wonderful opportunities I had in my trade.
I thought Career Connection Day was like a really great opportunity for me, especially knowing that I wanted to pursue a career in the trade, and I could definitely see myself working at one of the companies that we had.
Career Connections Day really showed me how many job opportunities I'm going to be able to have in my trade.
I thought Career Connections was great because it gave the students a lot of ideas of what they could do for a living. One of the things that we talk about during Exploratory is how many jobs that you could do without necessarily going home every day with your hands dirty. And our Career Connections Day showed that the diversity for this occupation and how many different jobs that you could have while having a mechanical background. We look forward to making it even bigger and better for next year.
Career Connections Day was a really good opportunity for us and other shops. Other shops did do it. We had a lot of good interviews, a lot of people participating. Technical high schools are a great opportunity to expand your knowledge in the trade. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.